What is a set, you may ask? Well, a set is basically an unordered collection of unique elements. Generally, you may see sets as lists that have no duplicate elements. Let's see the way to create a set. In fact, there are two ways. The first one is by using the set function, which is a Python built-in function. To also prove that sets do not allow duplicates, let's create a list with duplicate elements and apply the set function on this list. So let's create list 4 with the following elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, and 3 again. Okay, so let's see list 4. Okay, now let's apply the set function on this list. So set of list 4 returns a new list. In fact, it is a set with all the duplicate elements removed. Okay, this is nice. You can also directly create a set by passing it a sequence, like a string or a list, and storing the result in a variable. So let's create variable set1 equals to set of open and close parentheses, and let's insert a list here with duplicate elements. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, let's add 15 3 times, okay, and 11 again. Close the list. Okay, now let's check set1. You can see that the duplicate elements have been already removed. Now let's do a type on set1 to confirm that it is indeed a set. Okay, nice. The second way to create a set is to use curly braces, like this. And this method of creating a set is available in versions of Python starting with 2.7, so ours is included, according to python.org, the official site. So let's create set2 equals to, and open and close curly braces. Let's say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 3 times, and 11 again. Okay, now let's see set2. The duplicates have already been removed. Now let's do a type of set2. And Python confirms that this is indeed a set. Okay. We can also find out the number of elements in a set using the same len function as we did with strings and lists. So, len of set2. Okay, set2 has 5 elements. This is correct. Now, checking if an element is or is not a member of a set is also possible using the in and not in keywords. So, let's try this. 11 in set2. Okay, this is true. What about 10 in set2? This returns false. Okay. What about 10 not in set2? This returns true because not in negates the existence of 10 in set2. Okay. Another thing I should add is that sets are mutable, so we can add or remove elements from a set in the following manner. So we have set2. Okay. Let's add an element to set2. So set2.add. This is the method you should use. And in between parentheses, you should specify the element you want to be inserted. So now let's check set2. You can see that 16 was indeed appended to set2. Okay, what about removing an element? Well, this is simple. Just use the remove method. So remove. And in between parentheses, you will specify the element you want to be removed. So let's say 11. Let's check set2 again. And 11 was indeed removed from the set. Okay, notice that if I try to add an element which already exists in the set, let's say set2.add of 16, Python will not agree. Let's check set2. Okay, 16 is there just once. So Python doesn't agree, although no error is returned. Just that Python does not add a duplicate element to a set, and you should keep this in mind. Okay, now let's see some operations on sets.